BYD-auto, a subsidiary of the Chinese multinational BYD Company Ltd. Build Your Dreams, was founded in 2003 and has since become one of the world's leading electric vehicle, EV, and battery manufacturers. The parent company, BYD Company, was originally established in 1995 by Wang-chuanfu as a rechargeable battery maker. It quickly became one of the largest producers of lithium-ion and nickel batteries, supplying brands like Nokia and Motorola. Recognizing the future potential of electric mobility, BYD entered the automotive sector by acquiring Qichine Automobile Company in 2003. Its first car, the BYD F3, launched in 2005 and quickly became a bestseller in China due to its affordability and practicality. BYD gained international attention in 2008 when American investor Warren Buffett, through Berkshire Hathaway, bought a 10% stake in the company, signaling global confidence in BYD's future. That same year, BYD launched the F3DM, the world's first mass-produced plug-in hybrid vehicle. As environmental concerns grew, BYD shifted its focus toward pure electric and plug-in hybrid vehicles, aiming to lead the global green mobility revolution. The company introduced the E6 electric MPV, widely used in taxi fleets, and later launched the popular Tang, Han, and Atto 3 models. BYD also became a major player in the electric bus industry, with its buses operating in cities around the world including London, Los Angeles, and Santiago. In 2021, BYD made headlines by stopping the production of internal combustion engine vehicles, becoming one of the first automakers to go fully electric. This bold step reinforced its commitment to sustainability and innovation. BYD's strength lies in its vertical integration. It produces its own batteries, electric motors, and electronic controls, which reduces costs and improves efficiency. It also develops cutting-edge technologies like the Blade battery, known for its high safety standards. Today, BYD is China's top-seller EV brand and a major competitor in the global EV market. It exports vehicles to Europe, South America, Asia, and Africa, and partners with governments and private companies for clean energy solutions. From batteries to full-scale electric transportation, BYD's evolution reflects China's rise in the EV era and highlights its vision of creating a sustainable and electrified future for all.